Good FOMC day. Fed announces their rate intentions again today. Got a nasty head cold, and therefore, with the Fed and that going on, I won't be expecting too much on the trading front probably until 2 o'clock Eastern, when 2:15 when they announce that. S&Ps are up almost 6% from March. We've had a big retracement from the Doug Cass 17th bottom call of 666. So we are sitting at 776 basically. Well, we got as high as there yesterday, and we're trading right now around 768. We are down 8 points here on the open. The pivot is 765. I would be, again, pivot kept you on the right side of the trade yesterday. I said short up to 759. That was your pivot yesterday. It stayed below that in the morning, went above it in the afternoon. It's pretty simple, folks. Buy above the pivot, sell below it, and that's all you had to do. And yesterday you made some nice trades. It was short in the morning up to that 59 level, 57, 58, and they pulled back, and then in the afternoon it broke out and tested the pivot. 59 is a great buy, and the thing closed all the way up at 77. So trade the pivot. Today the pivot is 65, so I would be short below 62. I don't do it right on the pivot, and I would be long otherwise. So there's your day. Again, Fed days, I typically don't like to trade too often, so keep that in mind. You don't need to overtrade in these markets, and I also don't like to trade in certain times of the day, and those are the times when people aren't involved in the markets. 9 to 11 on the West Coast is lunchtime. I don't want to be involved in the markets. The trend continues one way or another after that time anyway, so take a break during those times. Read, do your research, look at stock charts, whatever you want to do. But I find that trading between those middle times of the day and really the first half hour and the last half hour are a waste of your time. So the trading day can be containerized really down to about maybe 3 hours of good trading. That's where your opportunities are. And if you're trying to, I'm not a scalper, I'm more of a position trader, so I can get into my positions in those time frames very readily and very easily. And I would suggest you check yourself if you're trading too much. Trade smaller and wider lots, wider stops. That way you don't have to be so perfect. I'd rather not make money for my broker. So I am not a scalper, I'm a swing trader. And again, yesterday we came in with a short bias, ended up with a long bias, and that's the way trading goes. So if you can't change on the fly here, and that's why we use technical analysis, because it does keep you on the right side of the trade on a day trade. So today the pivot's around 65. Enjoy yourself, trade them well, and whether you're long, short, flat, those are all trades, and enjoy yourself. Peace.